Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzy Academy. So in this video, we'll be solving the question 11 of the 2019 Nov-Dec core mass theory questions. So we'll begin with question 11a. It says, copy and complete the table of values for y is equal to x squared minus 1, where x is between -4 and 4. B. Using a scale of 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis, draw the graph for y is equal to x squared minus 1. C. Using the graph I, solve x squared is equal to 8. Find the range of values of x for which y decreases as x increases. So moving on to the solution of our question. Question 11a asks us to complete the table. So let's draw our table. We have x and y, -4, 3. So given the relation y is equal to x squared minus 1, when x is equal to -4, y will be equal to -4 squared minus 1, which is equal to 15. So we write 15 here. When x is equal to -2, our y will be equal to -2 squared minus 1. And this should give us 3. So we do the same for all the values of x. So after everything, we should have 0, 0, 3, 8, 15. So this will be our complete table for y is equal to x squared minus 1. So moving on to question 11b. So for 10b, we are being asked to draw the graph y is equal to x squared minus 1. So b, we have our y-axis and our x-axis. So on our y-axis, we take 2 centimeters to 2 units. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. And we have -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12. And then for the x-axis, we are taking 2 centimeters to 1 unit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then -1, -2, -3, and -4. Now we know that from our table, when x is -4, our y is 15. So -4, 15 will be somewhere here. When x is -3, y is 8. So -3, 8 will be somewhere here. When x is equal to -2, our y is equal to 3. So -2, 3 will be here. When x is equal to -1, y is equal to 0. So we have -1, 0 here. Then 0, -1 will be here. Then we have 1, 0 will be here. Then 2, 3. Then 3, 8. Then finally we have 4, 15. So we can connect the points to get a curve. So after joining the points, our curve should look like this. Now moving on to C. It says solve x squared is equal to 8. So C says solve x squared is equal to 8. Now x squared is equal to 8 can be written as x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the same as x squared minus 1 minus 7 is equal to 0. But we know that x squared minus 1 is y, So we can say that y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now when we make y the subject, y will be equal to 7. So now we move to the graph. And we locate 7 on the y-axis. So 7 on the y-axis should be here. And we draw a line from y is equal to 7 to touch the curves. So read the points of x for y is equal to 7. And this should be 2.8 and negative 2.8. So for y is equal to 7, our x will be equal to 2.8 and negative 2.8. Moving on to the CII. It says find the range of values of x for which y decreases as x increases. So we can see that from this side of the curve to this side, y decreases and x increases. But then from here to here, as y increases, x increases as well. But then we are being asked to find the value of x as y decreases and x increases. So y decreases from here to here and x increases from this to this. So our CII will be all the values of x from point A to point B. So this should be between x is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to 0. So our answer will be x is such that negative 4 is greater than or equal to x is less than 0. This will be our answer for all x values such that y is decreasing and x is increasing. So this brings us to the end of question 11. In our next video, we'll be solving the question 12 of the 2019 Nov-Dec core mass theory questions. Thank you.